Hi, folks. I have to ask you not to muck around in the marsh grass. This grass is not at all like the lawn in your yard. This is working grass. It's the foundation of the marsh. Without the humble grasses, there would be no marsh, not even mud flats, just open water or sandy shoals. The grasses trap sediment, and as they grow, and their old blades die and decay, their detritus, the decaying dead parts of the plant, make the mud and the peat that anchors the marsh. It's also what you smell, that pungent salt marsh aroma. Notice the two native grasses growing around the edge of the marsh. These are the foundation of salt marsh ecology. Besides stabilizing the sediment, they also provide a habitat for all the animals. The taller grass, called Spartina alterniflora, or in English, salt marsh cordgrass, grows as far as the high tide line. Above that line you find the salt hay, Spartina patens. It's a shorter and finer grass. Traditionally, it was harvested as bedding for horses and cows, and also used to stuff mattresses for people. Now, you can buy salt hay grass as mulch in garden stores. I'm working on an ecological restoration project here in the marsh. There are invasive plants, like common reed grass, called Phragmites australis. It can crowd out the native plants, and it's just begun to invade this part of the marsh. When Phragmites invades, it changes the ecology of the marsh, and the usual habitats disappear. In ecological restoration, we remove the mighty frag and encourage the growth of the humble Spartinas.